Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian and today we're going to be making the Long Island iced tea. Contrary to its name, this drink doesn't actually have any tea in it. The origin of the Long Island iced tea actually has two competing stories which are still argued to this day. One story states that a man named Robert Butt back in 1972 created this drink to enter a contest where the contestants were to create a mixed drink using orange liqueur, triple sec. Another story states that a man nicknamed Old Man Bishop invented this drink back in the 1920s during Prohibition, and his son actually adjusted the recipe to what we now know today as the modern Long Island iced tea. Regardless, this is a fantastic drink and one of my favorite cocktails, so now we're gonna make one. So the Long Island iced tea contains 4 clear spirits and a liqueur. So we're gonna be using vodka, rum, tequila, gin, and triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. We're also gonna need lemons, simple syrup, Coke for color, and then if you wanna use sweet and sour mix, you can use that instead of lemon juice. Now the first thing we're gonna do is chill our highball glass. Put some ice in there. And then we're gonna fill up our shaker with ice as well. Now this should be pretty easy to remember because everything is gonna be in equal parts. So we're going to start with 3/4 ounces of vodka, 3/4 ounces of rum, tequila, gin, and then triple sec. The next thing we're gonna do is squeeze 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice into the shaker. Now at this point, we're also going to make a lemon wedge for the garnish. About 3/4 ounces there. Next, you're gonna use 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. Go ahead and give this a good shake. And then we're gonna strain out a little bit of the ice here. Now we'll go ahead and top off the ice here in our glass. And now what you're gonna do is take your Hawthorne strainer and strain the mixture into your glass. You wanna use fresh ice. And the last thing you're gonna do is top it off with some Coke. And then you're gonna go ahead and garnish it with your lemon wheel. And then a straw. And there you have it, a Long Island iced tea. Cheers. Hey, so if you guys like this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe below. Doing so helps out the YouTube algorithm and pushes this video to a wider audience. Thanks for watching.